video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We are officially mid-darn week. Oh, yeah. It's a good day to be in crypto. It's a good day to be alive. We are chilling at $85,000 Bitcoin. I'm going to give you your market recap, your latest Bitcoin price action. CBDC pilots are happening using 7-Elevens. What? And then we have BlockFi news. We have GameStop news with their billions of dollars in acquisition, or that in their allocation to buy Bitcoin, wrong word. And then we have Grayscale looking to do more ETF stuff. And then your spotlight is actually going to be Circle filing for their IPO. And for your coins to watch, we have one new crypto that is going to have an ETF that maybe you guys did not expect. And we're going to jump into that within our coins to watch. And then there's also going to be an XRP price prediction that we'll go over as well. So guys, please, if you're ready for that Zest and Newsy education, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, share this stream out with friends. Also, say good morning to me as I say good morning to you. And check out our two amazing sponsors of the show, Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off of Market Cipher. Let's say good morning. Hello, Zools. I don't know. No pockets today. No pockets. Also, we have Anthony over there on TikTok. Jason, good morning, my friend. Avo, good morning. We have on YouTube and X right now. And make sure you guys are checking us out on Rumble. We got Balaki, Mike Volmer, Silver Days, Brian, John Legend, JC, Piano, Maddie B. Thank you for rating in here as always. Black Hat, good morning to you as always, too. We have Doge Bull, Bobby F, Keen Bean, Grog, David Bulls. We have Donato, Poman, good morning. Aquarian, good morning. Crypto Outcast, hello, Crimson. Thank you, Brian, for answering that question, by the way. We have Joe Harvey. Gary's on multiple platforms. Bitcoin Stew. Grandpa, we have Jesse. Good morning to you as always. Guys, we have a members only after show that I am setting up as we speak. Guys, make sure you guys check out the after show. It is for members only, and I appreciate all the members of the channel. So make sure you guys get on in there. We could talk about whatever. I'm there for about 10 minutes-ish after we wrap up the show. So please make sure you guys are tuning into the after show. Members only. Become a member of the channel, please. Let's see. Who else we got? Aqua Phoenix. Nice to see you. Nothing to see here. Good morning. Lasers is chilling. Elric is here. Chipper, nice to see you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
It's
welcome.
my birthday. I bought the dip for my e-present.
Everyone say happy birthday to Boo Man. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh. Thank you for spending your birthday with us. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, Boo Man. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh. Boo Man is a great supporter of the channel, so happy birthday to him. We appreciate you very much. We really do. Everyone say happy birthday. It's also Liberation Day, according to Donnie T. We'll get into that in just a moment. Triple Nickel Tech, good morning to you. Crypto Stoner, good morning to you too. We got Juice Toast, Scott Miller from Sydney, Australia. Nice to see you, my friend. It's late for you. Let's see. French Toaster is here. Welcome. Oh boy, we have so many people. If I missed you, please yell at me. Sola Hefe, I see you. Bullduck Eric, nice to see you. All right. Wow, you guys are reading the chat for Booman. Oh, I love it. Oh, Verhoofty Floof. I think I missed you. Hello, Verhoofty Floof. Also, we're going to get into the news. We have a lot to cover. Sadly, Black Hat won't be part of today's after show. Very sad. Hello. I think this text is so small. Abdul. Hello, Abdul. We have, who is this? Chuck from Virginia, nice to see you. Crypto Colin, nice to see you. Welcome. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Ovidian Hex, nice to see you. St. Jerome, Curtis, everyone's here. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Say happy birthday to Boo Man. And we're going to get after it. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, as well as a subscriber goal of 20,000 subscribers. People were mad yesterday that I said that I drink tea and not coffee as an April Fool's joke, so they unsubscribed to the channel, which is so ridiculous. Guys, please make sure you smash like and subscribe. We want to get to 20,000 subscribers on the channel. We're currently at 19,813. We wanted to get 19,820 today. Yeah, sheesh indeed, Jason. People are harsh out here. They're harsh in these parts. Before we get to the breaking news headlines, we have a lot of red in the market today, despite Bitcoin slightly bouncing today. Bonk EOS is up 15% EOS, absolutely soaring. Bitcoin, what are we battling? The 200-day SMA. Our high was just below, our high of the day is just below the 200-day SMA that is at $86,306. We're currently at $85,769. Up 0.7%. I'm thinking there could be some cup and handle energy happening here with Bitcoin, but that is just something we'll have to see how it plays out. However, again, we passed the 200-day SMA. Ba-ba-da-da. We're looking at 91K bearishly, 73 to 77K. Same thing every day, except today things are changing. Maybe there's better things in store for us. There's a green dot printed. Yeah, Bruce K. Coffee. And maybe the coffee hit that momentum as the green dot was printed, bringing it on up. We want to see that cross the zero line. We do. VWAP is pumping confidently over the zero line. We absolutely love to see that. That is a great signal. And the money flow looks like it's curving up. Last time we saw green money flow was a smidge right here in February, and then ending that green money flow right before that smidge. So again, first few days of February was the last time we saw any sort of green money flow. The last time we went into green from red was back here in September. So we need to get back into it. We are just stretching right now. We are stretching. The RSI at the moment is slightly bouncing, again, targeting that bullish. Again, we manifested with this heart. We were manifesting, guys. We really want to, in all seriousness, cross that 50 line and go bullish on that RSI. That's extremely important here, extremely important. Barone says, always a ray of sunshine. Well, thank you. Zool says, I'll cave. It's a good dress, but needs pockets. You know, yeah, but you know what? It has like a little bow in the back. It has a little bow. So you know what? Maybe that makes up for the pockets. Not really, but you know what? It has a bow. It has a bow. Breaking news headlines start now, as today, according to Donnie T, is Liberation Day. Do you agree? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, or 2 and no emoji. Your breaking news headlines start now. Ooh, such a cool transition. According to Donnie T, we are in Liberation Day, where tariffs are going to come through. And I thought it was so funny. Army Piper was in Piano Matic V stream right before this, and he was like, it's a terrifying day. I thought it was corny, but great. Now, according to this article here, while Donnie T has yet to disclose which countries the tariffs will target, an announcement is scheduled for after the stock market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern. Bitcoin is pretty much at the same price it's been at for a month. The stock market is whatever the stock market is. Manipulation at its finest. Anyway, we don't know which countries are going to get the slam of the Donnie T bat. You know, go bam. You know that Doge memes where you go bonk on the Doge? That's basically what's happening here. And so I am curious as to what's going to happen. I do think it's interesting and maybe good for the market that he's waiting until after the stock market closes at 4 p.m. to make this announcement, so that way it doesn't completely manipulate the market, although we're probably going to see the effects of this tomorrow. We'll see. We're going to keep going here. We're going to step into international waters international waters, please. And we're going to start in the UK as BlackRock is securing a UK FCA crypto registration. And the FCA is their financial conduct authority. Also, shout out to my Uncle Billy. He said the future face of all crypto, MTC. Well, thank you, Uncle Billy. Aww. Shout out to him. Let me do this article, then I'm going to pull up your YouTube channel. Give me a minute. BlackRock managed to land on the FCA's Tough Crypto Register on Tuesday. Again, oh, whoop-de-doo, what a surprise. The world's biggest asset manager will be allowed to act as an arranger for iShares Digital Assets AG, which issue ETPs, a financial instrument that is pegged to an underlying asset, and in this case, a crypto asset. Registration in the UK's crypto register is not an easy feat. The FCA's crypto register was set up in 2020 to ensure that crypto firms wishing to serve the UK could only do so after they registered to comply with the country's AML rules. The UK received 368 applications, but only 51 have been confirmed. As an arranger, they'll be able to arrange the execution of transactions in crypto assets to support ETP subscriptions and redemptions between issuers and authorized participants, but it will not be able to onboard any new customers. Also, it won't be able to operate a machine that utilizes automated processes to exchange crypto assets for money. Not surprising to me at all. That is the latest on BlackRock, though, and in the UK. That's your UK news for today regarding crypto. We won't get into their politics, okay? Very briefly, let me pull up the Billy Goat Tales YouTube channel because we like to plug our friends. Hold on. Giver's Gain. Where are you at? There we go. Guys, everyone, please go follow the Giver's Gain YouTube channel. They're at 533 subs. Let's get them to 1,000. Hashtag Giver's Gain. All the love to them. I appreciate them so much. Where's their X? There you go. Perfect. This is why we do links. Shout out to them on X as well. Oh, I didn't realize I wasn't following. I thought I was. Anyway, sorry about that. I feel like this is also a problem. YouTube and X do this to me as well, where I'm following people and then it says I'm not following them. So that's really annoying. Anyway, side note, there we go. Follow them on X as well. YouTube, X, all the things. And so there you go. There you go. Follow them. Give her the gain, and let's get after it. They did do their spaces last night, and I'm sad I missed it because I fell asleep. I've been going to sleep at 9 o'clock. I've been in bed by 8. I don't know what's wrong with me. I get tired. I'm like, meh, bedtime. Do you guys go to bed by 8 p.m.? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Do you go to bed by 8 p.m.? All right, let's keep going. Great space last night. I'm sure it was. They always put on a great space. We're going to go into South Korea's 7-Eleven. This is so random. 7-Eleven in South Korea is going to accept CBDCs because of their national pilot program. I am bewildered by 7-Eleven, especially because if you go and you look at 7-Elevens in Japan, they're a big hoot. Everyone loves the 7-Elevens in Japan, and even I see them on TikTok, and I'm like, I want to go to a Japanese 7-Eleven. Now they're accepting CBDCs. Whoa. South Korea's 7-Eleven stores will accept payments in the country's central bank digital currency, CBDC, until June. As the retailer participates in the test phase of its CBDC project, the convenience store chain will reportedly provide a 10% discount on all products paid with the CBDC for the test period. According to Moon Dae-woo, head of 7-Eleven's Digital Innovation Division, the company is making an effort to incorporate digital tech advancements in its operations. The executive added that the company's participation in the CBDC test will help accelerate the firm's digital transformation. Many stores will participate in South Korea's CBDC testing phase, which runs from April 1st to the 30th. They also involve 100,000 participants who will be allowed to test payments using CBDC issued by the central bank. The mark, it's the mark. Dangerous. This is dangerous. CBDCs are the end of freedom as we know it. And of course, they want everyone to be included, or maybe to a degree. The government agency said that citizens aged 19 or older with a deposit account in a participating bank could apply. Registrations were limited to 100,000 participants. I am just... wow. And of course they say 19 and older because they know what? That kids, especially younger people that are around my age, they're paying using digital assets. They are not going to go walk around with freaking coins. No one does that anymore, at least not that I know of. All of my friends, when we go out, when we go to dinners, when we do whatever we do, no one has cash on them. No one has cash. Everyone has their debit or their credit card, or they're like, can I Venmo you, bro? Can I PayPal you? Can I Zelle you? There is no cash. There is no cash on hand. I'm telling you that right now. Mark Dutch, hello. Nice to see you. It's been a while since I've seen you in the stream. No one goes in bed by then? Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, share. We really want to get 20,000 subscribers on this darn channel. Guys, we're at 19,813 subscribers. Please pump up the stream. Pampy. Please make sure you have a membership. We have a members-only after show. We're going to go back to the United States because Alabama, Minnesota. Alabama, I was about to say Mississippi. I'm lying. Alabama and Minnesota advanced their Bitcoin reserve plans with companion bills. And again, we see things being very much mirrored with one another in the bill sector here. Bitcoin could find a place on the state's balance sheets, with Alabama and Minnesota pressing ahead with legislative frameworks for state Bitcoin reserves. Over in Minnesota, there's a House File 2946 called the Minnesota Bitcoin Act, introduced by Representative Olson on Tuesday, that would allow the state to invest in Bitcoin directly. Its Senate counterpart, SF 2661, was introduced earlier in March. The identical bills seek to authorize the State Board of Investment to allocate public funds into Bitcoin. Meanwhile, in Alabama, Senate Bill 283, filed this week by Senator April Weaver, is a companion to House Bill 482, introduced in March. Neither explicitly named Bitcoin. The legislation limits eligibility to digital assets with a market cap of at least $750 billion, which again, looking over here, the only one that qualifies is Bitcoin. But again, they leave the door open for other digital assets. It's obvious. They're planning for the long haul. They know that there's going to be a mega bull market. They know that there's going to be a surge of crypto popularity all across the world, not just the United States. Oh, it's Kenneth. Hello, Kenneth. Member for 8 months now. Oh, wow. Says, have a day, bros. Have a day, sir. Have a day. Have a day. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Ready Player One says, cash only for me. If I don't buy in cash, I don't buy. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Cash is important, though. I don't hate on cash. I think it's very important for privacy. All right, we're going to go over to GameStop. Apparently, GameStop, where my local GameStop left me, and I'm very upset about it. But GameStop has $1.5 billion of Bitcoin buying power after their convertible note sale. Not surprising. They want to buy Bitcoin, especially because they're a part of Strive, which is a management firm owned by Vivek Ramaswamy. And so, of course, they're like, all right, guys, you guys need to throw yourselves into the Bitcoin game and save your damn balance sheet. GameStop could be imminent with their Bitcoin purchase, or may have already begun after the company closed on its offering of $1.3 billion of 5-year convertible notes. The $200 million green shoe option was fully exercised by the initial purchaser, bringing the total amount of sale to $1.5 billion. Net proceeds to the company after fees were $1.48 billion, according to a filing on Monday after the close of U.S. trading. Their CEO, Ryan Cohen, announced a full board approval of an update to the company investment policy to add Bitcoin to their GameStop balance sheet. Now, GameStop pumped and then it soon dumped after this news. And I believe that there's a lot of manipulation here when it comes down to GameStop stock, especially because it was a meme stock along with AMC back when Roaring Kitty was really up and at 'em. So I think GameStop is manipulated.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Hashtag Givers Gain. We love you, Randy. Welcome to the Givers Gain family. Smiling face with hearts emoji.
Oh, thank you, Jesse. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Jesse. All right. GameStop stunk $22.70, up 0.4%. We want to hold right here $22. Bullishly, we want to pass the 200-day SMA that's at $24 and look at that 26. Again, as you can see with this Bitcoin news, it was a lot of red volume coming in here. Highest amount of volume we saw previous to 2024, mid 2024, which again was, I think, when Roaring Kitty decided to wake up, if I'm not mistaken. Money flow is at lows that we haven't seen since April of 2024. Again, we have the momentum that is below that zero line, still a bearish VWAP that is slowly moving up. We are up again 0.3%, so maybe we got some good action going on here. Major pump and dump with that RSI, showing minor strength here, minor move up. Moving on from GameStop, we got BlockFi. BlockFi is appealing to creditors to come forward and claim their bankruptcy distributions. Again, BlockFi was a platform where you could go put your crypto on there and earn a yield, all of those sort of things. But less than half, which I think is surprising, less than half of non-U.S. customers of bankrupt crypto lending firm BlockFi have come forward to claim their assets back with the May 15th deadline looming. And they filed for bankruptcy back in 2022 as contagion from the collapse of FTX spread through the industry. They later emerged from the bankruptcy and announced the plan in July to distribute 100% of the dollar value of customers' claims at the time of the bankruptcy filing. So if you had one Bitcoin on BlockFi, you're only getting $16,000 Bitcoin back, not $85,000 Bitcoin. 97% of U.S. customers have claimed their distributions, while only 43% of non-U.S. customers have received theirs. It should be noted that the arranging of distributions for U.S. customers was more straightforward and began earlier than those in non-U.S., which involved courts in both the U.S. and Bermuda. I don't know. If I lost my money, I'd be losing my noodles. I'd be like, give me that cash now. So I don't know what these people are doing, but maybe they were faulty actors and they don't want to get caught now. They don't want to get caught. Might be the problem. What link are we talking about, John Legend? Pimp the subs. I agree. Poor Noah's freaking timed out. Guys, pump the subs indeed. We're still at the same amount from when we started the show today. So unfortunately, I don't think we're going to hit our subscriber goal today. Oopsie. The SEC, Gemini, throwing fisticuffs. Gemini is saying, hey, We've been battling you guys for a while. We lost money, we lost business, and we had to pay legal fees. You should pay us back 3x. And now it seems as though the SEC and Gemini are requesting a 2-month pause in their lawsuit because there might be a pending resolution here. A potential resolution could be coming soon in the long-running lawsuit between the SEC and Gemini over their Earn product, again, another staking product. The two submitted a joint request to the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York on Tuesday to consider a 60-day pause in the case as they consider a potential resolution. They were sued back in January of 23 alongside Genesis Global Capital, alleging their Gemini Earn product constituted as an unregistered securities offering. Genesis, in March of 24, finalized a $21 million settlement with its role in the program, resolving its side of the case. Gemini also paid back 100% of their people. So that's what I believe is a very good thing on Gemini, makes them pretty good actors in this space, is that they went ahead and paid everyone back. So you got to give them credit, especially where credit's due, which I don't even know why they didn't mention it in this article, because that's important. Yeah, I'll tell you the facts. Oh, someone said very good. Informative knowledge. Why, thank you, kind sir, on TikTok. Why, thank you. Why, thank you. Continue to smash the like. Pinned link for the merch store. Oh, the merch store. Okay, I'll go check that. I'm going to go check the merch store later. Do you guys still want to buy merch from me? Do you guys still want to get merch? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Do you still want merch? Zesty merch. And if you guys have any designs that you would like to submit to me to upload to the store, then I would. So let me know. Do you still want Zesty merch? Let me know. I should definitely update them. We're going to talk about Grayscale. They filed an S3 for a digital large cap ETF. This is very interesting as well. And the coins included are very, very much interesting and aligns with the digital asset stockpile. Grayscale filed to list an ETF holding a diverse basket of spot crypto ETFs, or spot cryptocurrencies, sorry. On April 1st, Grayscale submitted an S3 regulatory filing with the SEC, which is required to convert the non-listed fund to an ETF. The digital large cap fund, which was created in 2018 but not yet exchange traded, holds a crypto index portfolio comprising of Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. How do you feel about that? As of yesterday, the fund has more than $600 million in assets under management and only available to accredited investors, according to Grayscale's site. Grayscale is smart. Grayscale is smart. Been saying that for a long time. But you know what? Maybe you could say that Circle is the one that's really going to win. And apparently, the Stable Act, the new piece of stablecoin regulation, is only helping the banks, only helping Circle win the game. Is this really what we want? Well, it seems like Circle might be winning because of this. Your Project Spotlight starts now. Usdc, issued by Circle, is the second largest stablecoin, right behind Tether, which Circle's CEO doesn't seem too nice to Tether. I'll say that right now. However, Circle's been making waves in other countries, especially in Japan, trying to get their little hands in there. People are saying that, stablecoin regulation, legislation is really only going to help Circle and the banks, especially because Circle is US and USDC is US based versus Tether that's not based in the United States, though they hold a lot of treasuries. USDC has a $60.14 billion market cap, a $9.4 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. Again, has $60.14 billion in USDC as its total supply at the moment. The latest is that the stablecoin giant is filing for an IPO after there was a $1.7 billion stablecoin reserve windfall. Apparently, again, they are going public. They supposedly had confidential filings with the SEC, which, again, it seems like these confidential filings aren't much of a confidentiality, especially because apparently Gemini was doing the same thing. They filed an S-1 form with the SEC, and if approved, their stock would be trading on the NYSE under the symbol CRCL. They say its reserves income from managing its stablecoin-related reserves was $1.7 billion at the end of the year, representing 99.1% of its total revenue. Their IPO has been one of the most anticipated in crypto because the company has been trying to go public for years. Again, they tried to do this in 2021. Apparently, they didn't meet the qualification in time for the SEC back then, and that was according to the Circle CEO. But again, there was a huge, kind of rain on our parade. There was a hurricane on our darn parade with the last SEC and the last administration. Apparently, as we discussed yesterday, Circle hired JP Morgan Chase and Citi to help them with their IPO. So what do you think? Would you get the Circle stock? Would you get the Circle stock? Let's see. Let's see. So would you guys want the merch? I don't see. Oh, interesting. All right, Sony also related to USDC. We have Sony Electronics in Singapore accepting USDC payments through crypto.com. The online store of a Singapore-based subsidiary of Japanese tech behemoth Sony is now accepting USDC payments through Crypto.com. According to an April 2nd announcement, Sony Electronics Singapore now accepts USDC through Crypto.com, and Crypto.com Singapore, a general manager, said, "We're pushing to make crypto payments more mainstream and partnering with a well-established and forward-thinking brand like Sony Electronics Singapore further raises awareness of how simple it can be to pay for everyday goods and services using crypto." Singapore likes stable coins. They do. We also have some coins to watch and maybe another cryptocurrency that you should watch in the 8th ETF game. Your coins to watch. Start now. As you can see, we have some gainers and losers. Leading your gainers is EOS up 18%, Radium up 8%, Fartcoin, up 6.8%, Ondo up 5.3%, and Bunk up 4.5%. Now leading your losers.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Paw prints emoji, pound it like button, footprints emoji.
Why, thank you, Kenneth. Why, thank you, sir. Stories down 4.48% as you hit that like button. Jasmine is down 4.14%. Graph is down 3.3%. Pi is down 3%. And Flare down 3% as well. The coin you really need to watch out for is the one that VanEck is eyeing for an ETF. BNB. Yeah, crazy, right? After all the scrutiny with Binance, VanEck registered to list an ETF tracking BNB, the native cryptocurrency of Binance-linked BNB chain. The New York-based firm has proposed the establishment of a trust in Delaware for a BNB ETF, a preliminary step to a formal application with the SEC. Their BNB ETF, if approved, will be the first such product listed in the U.S. It was among the first issuers of a Bitcoin and ETH ETF in the United States, following their approval in January and July of 2024, respectively. They're also looking to have a Solana and Avalanche ETF as well. We're going to look at BNB. Let's take a gander. Where's my BNB chart? Are you for real? There we go. Okay. Wrong one. What's going on here? My trading view is so glitchy. Okay, hold on. Trading view. It's my trading view. My trading view. All right, guys. We have $604 BNB down 1.14%. The selling pressure is apparent at 612, 613. Bullishly, that's where we're going to target here. Your bearish level to watch is where we've had wick lows. Also, in the past, we wanted to hold support there as well. Wick lows there back in 2024. We're looking at 510 BNB. Bullishly, again, targeting that 612, that $633 200-day SMA. And then if we pass that, we want to look at around $680 BNB. That's just wild. Just absolutely wild. I can't believe BNB is $600. Like, that is just wow. Good for them. Good for them. Also, people are saying that XRP has a $6 price target. I want to know, do you think XRP can hit $6? Let's see. Can XRP hit $6? If you think so, let me see those XRP emojis in the chat, please. Let me see. All right. XRP right now is $2.11, almost $2.12, down 0.89%. Our bearish level to watch is, again, where the 200-day SMA is, and it's so funny it's lining up here now. $1.81. And then your bullish level to watch is, of course, our golden zone all over here, which is $2.75, so we can hold support and target that $3.40 all-time high. Everyone's talking about $5.89, $589 freaking XRP. That's just nuts. That's just nuts. Especially because back here, for the longest time, we were like between 40 and 70 cents. We're like, we're never leaving this range. And then now we're at $2.11, like have been above $2 since back here in November. And we've just been chilling here ever since. But I guess XRP is holding up pretty well. The VWAP is looking to maybe pass that zero line. We're awaiting a possible green dot at this point. Literally, at this exact point of momentum over here in early March, a month ago, exactly a month ago, we printed a green dot here. Money flow slightly picking up. We're also looking at that RSI that's kind of chopping it up mid-bear at the moment. So that's your latest on XRP. The Silver Days is in the chat, loving this. If you have a chart request, then maybe I can get to it. We are going to start our after show in just a few minutes. Again, if you are not yet, please become a member of the channel so that way you can connect your YouTube to your Discord account. So go in Discord, connect your YouTube, and join the members only stage so that way you guys can hang out and we'll chat for a little while. Someone says on TikTok, they have 45,000 cows because of me. Why do you have 45,000 cows? That's a lot of cows. Hello, Jason. Thank you for everything. Appreciate you. Okay. We're going to look at Bitcoin again. Still 85K. We want to hit the 200-day SMA. We'll keep watching. Ethereum is 1868. We're looking to rise above and maintain that 1820-ish. We're looking also at the bullish $2,000 target. Green dot was printed, but the money flow, the volume is pretty low here. We're down 1.8% as the VWAP is pretty bullish, and we have that RSI that's choppy. Litecoin, $83 Litecoin. We're looking at 85 bucks. We want to hold support there, bullishly target that. Bearishly, though, we're looking at 74 bucks. Just craziness. Oh, oopsie, wrong button. Volume is low on Litecoin. I guess the ETF excitement is just tearing us down here. Momentum is pretty low. And so is that RSI. We'll take a look at Newsmax because everyone's talking about Newsmax. I think this is the ticker. Yep. Okay. So Newsmax is down 47% today, though. Yesterday it hit a high of around $265. There was over, what was it, a 2,000% gain, if I'm doing that correctly, 2,000. Yep, over 2,000% gain on Newsmax. For everyone asking in the comments, I knew that I knew they were going public. They were saying that publicly on their channel for a while. They raised $75 million. Wowza, right? But I don't have any Newsmax stock. I'll tell you that right now. So everyone like, oh, she's pumping Newsmax. No, I'm not. No, chill out, bro. Chill out. No, I do not have any Newsmax stock. And does it bother me? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Thank you. Now, case darn freaking closed. I'm mad about it. I'll digress on the topic. But Newsmax is absolutely through the roof right now. Through the darn freaking roof. We'll do some Cardano. Then I saw Arrow in the chat, so I'll get to that in just a minute. Haven with 1 membership. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I know. No, you don't got to freaking tell me, dude. You don't got to tell me. We're at 68 cent Cardano right now. I'm mad. No, we're not. We're going to digress though. 1.1% in the green. We want to hold that 64 cents. 200-day SMA is at 72. If we pass that, then we're looking at 77 cent Cardano. We have a green dot printed. VWAP is pumping, so those are good things. Although the money flow is still low and the RSI is about to approach that neutral, hopefully. Hopefully. That look. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What was I doing? Arrow. That's what I said I would do. That's what I said I would do. All right, give me a second. Oh. Ooh, this is a spicy one. This is a spicy one. What sticker? What sticker is cute? They're PFP? It is. It is. Newsmax Donk versus Newsmax Coin. I feel like they should have a coin. All right. Anyway, Arrow. Oh boy. Guys, this is a little bit iffy here. We're down 9%. 41.5 cents. Guys, if we go down to this 37, we don't got much data besides the bottom, and that's 8 cents. So I don't got much to say on this one besides you want to have a Hail Mary darn moment and hold that 37 cents and move up to 69. Because then there might be a little bit of an issue. Yeah. I know, you guys are giving me so much smack, man. You guys are giving me all the smack. You're like, Randy, what about the Newsmax Donk? I freaking know, okay? I know. I just can't. I can't even talk about it right now. Can't even talk about it. That's how I feel. Nightbot just wiped out. No, that's freaking hilarious. Anyway, guys. Oh, the sticker, the Randy on the swing. Yeah, those are my old NFTs. I love my NFTs. Yeah. I love my NFTs. But I don't know, at this point, where would I mint NFTs again? And would you guys even, like, want them? No, Double O, I didn't get in on the Newsmax IPO. I was just talking about that, and I'm not happy. I don't know. Seems like you guys have interest maybe in some merch. But would you have interest in NFTs? And what blockchain would I even mint them on at this point? Tony from Miami is here. Pamp it up for Miami. Anyways, friends and family, the room is open for the members only after show. I really hope that you guys get after it. You need some merch? All right, listen, I'm going to hold you guys accountable. I'm going to hold you accountable. If I put out this merch, then I hope that you guys go and get some. And if you have designs that you want to submit for me to put on the store, that's also very helpful because I'm very bad at designing things. Benny Pittsburgh, hello. Is this a live show? Yes, it is, my friend. Yes, it is. Can I sign it too? Well, maybe we could do, I don't even know. How would I conduct an auction? Because, like, then I would have to order it, send it to me, and then send it to you. Would you guys like that, though, if I did that? I don't know. Maybe we're just getting out of pocket here. Anyway, guys, please subscribe to the channel. We have a goal of 20,000 subscribers. Please help your girl get after it and and get 20,000 subscribers because I am here every day trying to provide news for you. So please like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate you guys so much.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
Anyway, guys, keep calm, huddle on. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. We are going into Discord right now for the after show. We'll be there for about 10-ish minutes. So please make sure you guys get in there. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, a happy Wednesday. We're going to keep getting after it as we all do every single day. And I'll post the video later. And also I'll be back as always Monday through Friday at 9:45 a.m. Eastern for the Daily Zest. Have a beautiful day. Happy Wednesday. All the things. Woohoo! See you guys tomorrow. A peace. Go to Discord now. I'm demanding it. Just kidding. Hang out with us. Have fun. Bye.